Okay, class, here we are on the Google home page, and we are going to learn today how to create a Google document. So if we go up here into this overflow icon, we're looking for Google Docs. Don't see it here, so we'll just go into more, and there it is, Google Docs. Open that up, and we will be creating a new document. Click on the plus sign there, blank. And today's topic, which will be our title, is Understanding Art. And so once you have your title, Understanding Art, typed up here, just click back over here in the main document, and we'll start looking at some of the concepts that we're going to be looking at in art. So just looking up here, let's start over here. Understanding the elements of art. So the first element of art I want us to look at is the line. A line is the starting point of any drawing. Lines are used to show the form, pattern, shape, distance, and movement in art. So you can see here they've shown this beautiful drawing. If we click on it, it gets a little bigger, and we can see all the lines that are used in this art. Now, this isn't the only kind of art that you can see lines in. It doesn't always just have to be simple lines. So let's go back and take a look at another form of art with lines. Let's try over here, this one. So here's a classic work of art by Edward Hopper called Nighthawks. And here, if we look at the lines in this art, you can see he's used lines to create his diner. There's lines that create the windows and the doorway. And of course, lines creating the bar in the diner and the people and their hats and so on. So lines are a definite feature in art that we want to save in our Google document. So let's go back to the Google document. You should have that open anyway. And the first thing you want to put in there is lines. Now this is kind of small. So if I want to make this bigger, I'll just highlight it and click up here. Let's make it about a 14 font. So lines are some of the most important parts of art. And we'll move on to the next part, which is over here, shape. Shapes can affect feelings and create an impression to the viewer. So let's add shape to our document. And if we look quickly here, we can see many shapes in the form of humans, umbrellas, trees, clouds, and so on. What's next? Tone. Tone is defined as the lightness or darkness of a color. So here you can see that some of the colors are darker, some are lighter, creating energy and a sense of movement. So we'll add tone to our document. Next is color, I believe we saw there as well. So if we go back, the first thing we notice in an artwork are the colors. Look at all these beautiful colors. The colors set the mood of the artwork being observed, and color is used to highlight all the other parts of the artwork. We also have pattern and texture. Let's add those. And then lastly, form. Now one more we're going to add in here, which isn't on our website we're looking at, which is space. So these are all the elements that we'll be looking at in art as we continue to understand art. Now this all just saves automatically, so that's very good. Thank you for your attention.